Alright, so just made this diddly bow not too long ago. There it is, just an old HP sauce bottle, the base pickup, and an old Tabasco sauce bottle with one string. Cut from here to an overdrive pedal to an old practice amp. Let's see how it sounds. Let's see.